Hello everyone, welcome back to Strive Grid. Today we are looking at how to change spacing in Canva. So, spacing is of two types in terms of text. That is what we are going to look at today. So, there is character spacing and then there is line spacing and any other spacing that which means like spacing between the text and the image. It's very easy. It's just drag and leave it as it is. But we are talking about character spacing and line spacing. So let's see how it can be done. So on the left box which says spacing check, we will double click and select the entire text, and in the upper menu you will see this icon which has an arrow and which has spacing mentioned. Let's click there, and here you can see there is line spacing. So if I increase it, it increases the space between the two lines because we have two words on two different lines. Even if I do this like this, it will vanish the space, but if I press enter again, it will keep the line spacing. So this is how easy it is to check the line spacing or change the line spacing. And in character spacing, let's make this a bit bigger so that we can the example properly. You just again click on the same icon, and in letter spacing keep it increasing like this, and you can see you have letters spacing out each other or spacing away from each other. So that's it guys, this is how easy it is to adjust spacing in Canva.